Hey guys, in this video I'll be giving you a quick guide on how to play a game in Asphalt Legends. So this is beginner friendly and super easy. So let's get straight to it. Now first off, just simply select this play icon right here, and after that I've got this chapter 1. Just simply select this chapter 1 right here, and right here you can see this level, right? So you will be given some instructions first, and once you're done just simply select next right here. Now select your car and then just simply select play, or you can customize it as well. Now here your game has started loading, and now you are in the racetrack right here. Now there are various opponents with you. So for now the steering is automatic, so you should just simply use nitros and drift. So right here you can also see instructions to simply hold to drift on the left side right here, and there you go, easy drift. Now while you drift, your nitro also boosts, that is located right here. Now drift again once you see corners, right, like this, easily, in order to get the position. And now just head towards nitro and make sure to hit the perfect nitro right here. Okay, so we are already on the second position. Now let's just change the track. In order to change the track, just simply swipe left or right. Now right here you can see the finish line, and there you go. Super simple and easy. There you have it. You're first as well, and now you know how to do it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.